So you have a Chevy Malibu Hybrid. These are the years 2008, 2009, or 2010. And you're wondering how to change the thermostat. Well, it's much more involved than the standard Malibus of this era. You've got all this extra equipment that's in your way. Prevents you from getting down to the thermostat down there. So some of the things you have to remove. Definitely remove the coolant tank. Disconnect the two lines to it. Undo the bolts. Take the coolant tank off. Move this line out of the way. This is your brake booster line. Just push that off to the side so that's out of your way. Take this bracket off for the evap sensor. This is the evap solenoid. 13 millimeter bolt, single bolt on the bottom. That gets it out of the way because you're going to have to stick your hand in this way and also in behind here. That's why you got to get this out of the way, because it's there's only a tiny flexible hose from the head of the thermostat gooseneck, and it won't move by one hand alone. You need to use two hands in there to get enough grip on it and force to move it to the side. And that's why you need to get all that stuff out of the way to get your hands in there. And it's just a lot of fun, let me tell you.